What's up, everybody? This is Jim from Hard Knocks, and the driver at the moment.
I gotta look at the road, so I can't look at you guys right now.
But we're out here in Sacramento right now. We went to Club Empire last night, hung out with our guy DJ Alizawi from KSFM 1025, spinning supersonic in the club, man. It was great. Anyway, we're on our way to LA right now. Sorry, it's a little bumpy road. We're in Sac, see? I'll prove it. Look, watch, see? Sacramento,
Beautiful
All
downtown
right.
Sacramento.
That's right. So we're doing a little video blogging here, saying what's up to you guys. While we've been here, we've actually come up with the...
And all the CDs just fell.
All the CDs just fell over. We got like 2,000 CDs back there. We got the title of our next record. I'm not going to tell you right now, but you will hear about it real soon. It's crazy. That's right. We're releasing a record, songs you have not heard before that you can't download yet. So anyway, we'll catch you back on I-5. Thank you guys. Hard Knocks, signing out.